subscribe button, hit the like button, and also hit those post notifications so you get notified every time I post. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is my no language. Just kidding. These are my fidget toys. I have fidget spinners, squishies, and slime. So yeah, don't have a lot of I stand incorrect. I do not have a lot of slime and fidget spinners in here, but this is my bin that's like just full of fidget toys. I'm gonna start off. Why is this in the bin? Sorry about that. I'm gonna start off showing you my squishies, I guess. So yeah, here is another one squishy. It's very bad quality. I actually got this one from the dollar store. Yeah, the dollar store. It's actually pretty slow rising. It's basic though. I have some other really good squishies. I have like 20 squishies in here. So that's the first one, and I really like it. It bounces, I guess, and rolls, so that's nice. So like I said, you can get this at the dollar store. They're very cheap, and they're really nice squishies. So yeah, here is a defected squishy. Yes, I did rip off his nose. I don't know why. So here it is. Yes. Okay. So this is this little squishy. Yes, queen. I love it. It's really slow rising. I got this for my birthday, and I don't really know what it's from, but Natalie, if you're watching this, thank you for this squishy. I'm sorry that I ripped off the nose. So this is I think it's a chick hatching out of an egg, so that's pretty cute. That's my second squishy, and like I said, I do not know where I got it. Here is my third squishy. It's my favorite squishy probably in my whole collection. It's actually not the slowest one, but I love it. It is from Claire's, and I really like it. So that's the third one. I have to go a bit faster, so I'm just gonna show them, and the ones I will be showing you next are all from one package. This one. This one. This one. This one. Don't know why there's a rubber band around this one. This little brand, I love this one. It's like my favorite because it's so satisfying to flatten it out. That one's dirty. I love this one. I don't know why. I don't even think it's that cute, but I really love the feeling of it. And this is actually not from all the ones I just showed you that came in one package. This came from a bento box, one of the squishy bento boxes. I don't know where the other ones went. It has a little defect, which is really sad. So yeah, that's that one. Sorry about if this is boring. And my favorite squishy of all time, I love it to the moon and back. It's so slow rising. I love it. Just guys, can we please take a moment to enjoy the squishy? It's like so slow rising. I mean, guys, you have to get this. It's like from insurance, and it's so good. Get it. Get it. Oops. Okay, next I guess I'll do my fidget spinner. My one and only fidget spinner. It's very sad. But it's a good one. I don't know how to play with fidget spinners, obviously. But that's my only fidget spinner. I love it, though. And thank you, Dylan, for getting... Oh, wait. Did Dylan give this to me? Dylan, did you give this to me? Comment down below if you gave this to me. I think you did. I'm not sure, though. Here is another slime. I mean, here's one of my slimes. I only have 2 slimes. But this one's pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's gross. It's gross. It's gross. I actually don't really like this one. Guys, that's a ton of residue on my hand. Okay. Next on my list, and the last fidget toy I have. I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Oh no. No. Oh, guys, this one might be a bit too sticky. Okay, it's okay. I'm a mess. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done cleaning this up. What? I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah. Oh my god. So guys, I hope you did not just see that situation of me trying to put on that lid. So guys, I think I just cleaned off my hands. That was a situation. So they're still sticky and gross. So I need something to rub it off on. I guess I'll just use this squishy. I'm sorry, whoever gave me this, Natalie. I'm so sorry. I just need to. Because there's nothing else I could do it on. Except for my chair. Okay. So guys, I think we all know that I probably should start cleaning this up. Because I'm a mess right here. Obviously, I don't know how to play slime anymore. I used to be the pro, but now I'm not, I guess. Because of that situation. So, just so you know, I do have a lot more stuff like that. Like, a lot more slime. But it's just like all bad slime. So, those were my only 2 good slimes I thought were good. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of short. It's actually not that short, but sorry about everything about that video. Okay, that was an ugly face. Anyways, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, like I said in the beginning, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I will see you guys next time.